And I record here that EU is the second most important development partner for Kenya after the World Bank. And it speaks to the great friendship and partnership between our two countries. Our country and the EU. We are here today to mark a very important milestone in our remarkable partnership, the conclusion of the negotiation of the EU-Kenya Economic Partnership Agreement. I recall when we last met in Brussels, and I came in March this year. We tasked the chief negotiators to expedite the outstanding aspects of the process with a view to reaching a conclusion before June this year. This is an agreement that has been outstanding for almost 8 years. And if we had left it the way it was, it would take another couple of years. As was said here, agreements are negotiated over years, maybe decades. But the record 7 months that this agreement has been brought to conclusion with the active, dedicated, committed support and working round the clock by Dora and Alfred deserves commendation.
Kenya's exports to the EU will be tariff-free from the day one after its entry into force. This means full and unhindered access to the EU market. This creates strong incentives for trade and for EU companies to invest in Kenya.